Yeah, heart full of art, soul full of gold. Mind like a diamond mine, life unfold like a treasure map scroll. X marks the spot if you dig in, but if not, it stay hidden. Take a look around, what do you see? I guarantee the reality under your feet is all in your head. Well, maybe not all, but almost. Everything that you see, receive a strong dose of the flavor of your mental behavior. What you think about, what you choose to savor, it can save you, or it can knock you over, make you Darth Vader, or it can make you Yoda as you grow older. Hold up and take notice, with other feelings and shape your focus. Hate's the coldest, but love's the warmest, plus the best fuel for your #1 performance. Our thoughts transform us like magic potions, mix them with emotions in a soul that's golden, and you hold the cure for any curse. Now watch your life unfold like origami in reverse. Heart full of art, soul full of gold. Mind like a diamond mine, life unfold like a treasure map scroll. X marks the spot if you dig in, but if not, it stay hidden. Yo, heart full of art, soul full of gold. Mind like a diamond mine, life unfold like a treasure map scroll. X marks the spot if you dig in, but if not, it stay hidden. One man's treasure is another man's trash. One man's adventure is another man's crash. How you deal with tragedy can magically create victory from catastrophe. Think elastically, let your ideas stretch. Today ain't your day, then it might be the next. The tiniest steps lead you towards your goal. Why stop the journey early before it unfolds? When the story is told and you're old and gray, what you want them to say? That you walked away, or that you slayed that dragon in self-defense and got the gold and the princess or the prince? But in present tense, it's all potential. So use your mental, make life eventful. Then grab a pencil and draw a treasure map so the next generation all remember that. Yo, heart full of art, soul full of gold. Mind like a diamond mine, life unfold like a treasure map scroll. X marks the spot if you dig in, but if not, it stay hidden. Yo, heart full of art, soul full of gold. Mind like a diamond mine, life unfold like a treasure map scroll. X marks the spot if you dig in, but if not, it stay hidden.